Guys, how cool is this thing? It's a 59 Volkswagen bus. Needs a couple windows. We're gonna tackle that. You guys stay tuned. Let's lube it up.
If I'm sitting here doing this, are you able to get?
You're good.
Okay, cool.
It's rolling now. Where's that? If you got the spray, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this on here tight. So let me lube this up.
Are we gonna do the same thing? Try to get this down like we did with the Porsche?
No, I think we're gonna do these like the old, like that Peterbilt. Watch your eyes. My bad. I'm spraying up here. Why would you look? I'm gonna just set it right over the place it should.
Okay.
We're gonna try it that way because this is gonna be a tight.
Let me spray the inside of this so it can lip around the outside or the inside of it. Watch face.
Anybody waiting on a blazer? It look like? No. Okay. Let me put this exactly in its place.
I'm just holding it. I'm not putting pressure.
Now we broke it in.
Okay. Which way you want me to go?
Either way. It's like perfect place to rope in.
Okay.
Should be little effort.
I'm gonna try and go this way with it.
Just make sure it lifts over because dude, it's in place over here. You just kept driving. Is it lipping?
Yep.
Like it's right in
There's
place, right?
not much of a lip, but once you smack it, it should be really good.
At least it's not one of them Volkswagens with the teeth because those Volkswagens suck.
I got this side.
Don't you put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby. Don't you put that evil on me.
This, I'm like, oh my god, they don't even see this right.
Been there, done that. Oh, that is tight.
Here, I'll release some tension. Try coming, pulling.
Yeah, this way?
Yeah. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Keep it going. Yep. 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 Now come down.
Yep.
Like hold down on it. All right. Would you come back here? Yep. Here, this.
Shush. Don't say it. Don't. Do not. Shut up until we're done.
Yeah. Corner.
Yeah, I know.
When you did your job. Of course not.
You're there. Pull them both. No, you can pull them both. Yeah. Wow. Yep.
Give me.
Should work better if you're coming down.
Give me, but give me a little bit of pressure here because it's not quite. There you go.
One down. Guys, when you do gaskets, it's always easier to get the corners in first.
Here. Watch your ass.
Coming in hot.
Beautiful.
Okay, guys, so Matt's taping this up right here. What you're gonna see is this glass going through this hole. This is so cool. Okay, well, what I'll do, let me get the hook tool
Yeah, and try to
and hook it.
Okay.
spray.
Damn close right there. Do you want me to move the camera?
Whatever. Yeah, you can. Give it pressure.
Okay, hold on.
Smack it. Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So all I'm gonna do is hook it anyway. Smack that. Now smack it. To the other side, real quick. 'Cause we're pretty much even.
I'm just trying to hold a little pressure to get at the glip, and then
Yeah, smack it. Yeah. Not this far yet. Oh yeah.
Yep,
Hold on.
that's what we want.
Home stretch. She's in there. Yeah. See, this lip is lipped around the edge of the body, and that's what locks it into place. So here you can see her seated perfectly. That is cool. You missed the spot. Good, I think. What do you got to say, Matt? How do you think it went?